Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will learn how to format numbers in thousand, million or billion in Excel. If you have a list of large numbers, now you want to format them in thousands, millions or billions to make them look neat. So let's begin. To format the numbers, we will use format cell feature. First, select the list of numbers which you want to format. Then right click your mouse button and choose Format Cells. In the Format Cells dialog box, under the Number tab, select Custom and in the Type box, enter 0, capital K in the inverted commas to format numbers in thousands and click OK button. Now you can see numbers are converted to thousand format. Now we will convert them in the billion format by using the same process. Select the numbers, right click your mouse button, select format cells from the context menu and in the type box type 0, capital B in inverted commas and click OK. Now numbers are converted to billions. Now we will convert the numbers to million form. Right click your mouse button and select format cells, go to custom and type 0, capital M in inverted commas and click OK. And finally numbers have been formatted in thousands, millions and billions. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thank you.